Generic trader makes it easy to trade event contracts. So if you're starting out and you're not sure how much money you need to trade this event contract, you can go to symbol info, and then down here under the margin values, this will tell you how much initial margin and maintenance margin you need to trade event contracts. So to trade one event contract, I'm going to need $20 of margin available in my trading account to do so, which I have that covered, so I'm good to go. Let's just say, for instance, if I think by the close of today's session the price is going to be above 1500, then I can buy this event contract here that says to close above 1500. I can buy it if I think that's what's going to happen. If I think it's going to be below 1500, I can sell it. And if we scroll down, we can see the ones that are below, which would basically be the same thing. So for instance, if I think that the price is going to be below 15600, I can buy it if I think that's correct. But if I think the price is going to be above 15600, I can sell it, right? One thing you want to make sure to look for is volume. That will increase the chances of your order being filled. And also you can see the value of this event contract. So if I want to buy this above 1550, I would have to spend 1950 to buy this contract. And if I'm right, then I get the difference between that and $20. So that may not be the kind of risk reward that you're looking for. You're spending $19.50 to make 50 cents. So if you think the price is going to be below 1550, then you can actually sell it, and then you will be credited, your account will be credited $19.50. And if you're right, you get that $19.50, and if you're wrong, you lose 50 cents. All right, so let's just say I want to do that for this example. I click sell, and then the order will come up, right? And then once I click submit, you'll see that the order was sent. And if everything was good to go and then the order was filled, you'll see that it was submitted. And then I got to wait to the end of the day to see if I'm right or if I'm wrong.